We'll start now. I think 26 participants, others can join. Jal Kakkad gave you a wonderful lecture, but look at the questions that you are asking. Most of your questions have already been answered by me in my videos and the Zoom classes. So that gives me an indication that you people don't study my videos and Zoom classes on YouTube at all. Those videos are not for entertainment. Okay, those videos. Okay, I'll talk about this fatty liver. Just a minute. R.N. Verma asked this question after about 5 minutes. Okay, those videos are not for entertainment. Those videos are something like reference material, textbook for you to read, for you to see. Now, the first question, if I remember correctly, was who asked this? Ria. Ria asked, you wanted templates for WAT. Sorry, TAT. Is it Ria? Ria, where are you?
No, sir.
It was your question?
Sir, I didn't ask.
Who
Sir, I
asked
asked the structure.
Yeah. What did you ask? Say, Ria, speak.
Sir, I asked about structure.
Structure of?
Story writing, sir.
The same thing here. I'm talking about TAT story writing, na? Thematic appreciation. You open
Okay,
my video, you open my Zoom class. I've given you 3 templates. 3 templates and 4th is a story. There are 3 templates which you have to just do the fill in the blanks and your story would be ready. And then there's there are 2 templates. Just a minute, Shivansh, listen to me first. There are 2 templates which you just do fill in the blanks. Your story would be ready. And the 3rd template is of 15 OLQs where you can cross check which OLQ has been missed out or which OLQ is there. Understood? So, Ria, you will get the structure.
Okay, sir.
There. So, this is for everybody.
Okay, sir.
Whether you're writing your story in PPDT or you're writing in story TAT, there are two templates I've given you in which I think first one has got 3 headings, second one has got 5 headings. You just have to fill in those 3 headings first, then fill in those 5 headings first. Your story would be ready. Once your story is ready, then there's a 3rd template where you will cross check whether those 15 qualities have been put in or not. So as long as maximum qualities come in, your story is all right. You don't have to write a long story. I've just told you, you write only 8 to 10 lines. Maximum is 8, but if there's a problem, make it 10, but not beyond that. Because you will not be able to write more than this in 3 minutes. And secondly, as the general told you, that more you write, more mistakes will you make. Is that point understood? All of you, if you just go and find out that particular video of mine and the Zoom class where I've given you those 3 templates, first 2 templates to fill in the blanks, your story will be ready, and 3rd one to test whether all those 15 qualities have been catered for or not. That is one. Question about WAT. WAT, I had told you very clearly, and even I had invited Colonel Bhardwaj, who told you that 60 words pertain to the 15 qualities. So there are, every 4 words, you will find the quality be repeated. So what I had told you was there are certain do's and don'ts which you can see on the videos, that you should not write idioms, you should not write sayings, you should not write I. But what those 4 sentences would mean is that you should not miss a serial. Serial should not go wrong. That is number 1. Second point is, if you miss out on something, do not worry, because that thing will be repeated 3 more times. Now, which one is that, you don't know. So you have to be positive. You have to be shorter sentence and write faster. And for that, you have to practice. And third question was regarding what? WAT, TAT, interviewing officer. I've told you so many times again, like Varsha, you asked this question. I told you that when he says that, why should I select you? So you must say that, look, you should select me because I am the most suited person. He says, but I would not select you. He said, doesn't matter. I'll go and, introspect, find out what is my shortcoming and try to fill it up and come again. But should I, and I come again and again. But should you at the end of the field, I have some backup plan as well. I'm not the only one waiting for you. Okay, that is the right answer. And I think
Yes.
we have one more answer which I wanted you to say. But the point is, boys and girls, remember those videos which have been put, I've paid money to get those videos made. It is not free. So it is for all you to refer to those videos and get the best out of those. And then ask me questions. You can study my videos, come back to the WhatsApp group, put the questions over there, I'll answer them. Okay. So this is how you must work. Okay. All of you ready? We'll start today's class now.
Yes, sir.
Today we are talking about
Sir?
the screening. Yeah. Yeah. Who's that?
Sir, good evening, sir. Nilakshi here.
Yeah. Nilakshi. Yes.
Sir, I have a question, sir, related to self-description. If we
Yeah.
have joined our company just 2 months before and we have our SSB, so should we write about the opinions of colleagues or opinions of teachers? Because we have spent more times with teachers and they know us better.
Wherever you are comfortable. If you are you mentioning your present occupation as this thing, then you write colleagues only. But if you are not
Okay.
mentioning, like the other day, yesterday, somebody had asked me that I'm yet to join. So you should write over there, I am the sales executive joining on 1st of August. Okay. Then you
Okay,
should
sir.
talk about the teachers here. But if you're mentioning that I am joined for 2 months, you write about the colleagues. Now you must understand over here, whatever you write in self-description is not going to the interviewing officer. It's only with the psychologist. So you should always write good words about you, that my parents, my teachers, my colleagues, or my employer and my friends, they think good of me, high of me. But that high should be commensurate to be what you filled in the PIQ form. Yeah, the question I forgot was PIQ form. Again, I think it's Varsha asking that I have not played any game quite competitive level. Varsha, I think you were not there yesterday. When that
Yes.
column has to be filled, I had told you, and at exactly the same thing General also told you today, that what that column is showing to the IO or the psychologist, he's trying to find out, are you a social person or a loner? You may think that you've not played cricket, hockey, football, basketball as a school team, but you played it otherwise. Okay. So you just write, I played game cricket for 10 years and participation school level nil, achievements nil. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
if you written cricket over there, you should know the rules of the cricket.
Yes, sir.
And if you do not know the size of the cricket ground, you can tell IO, sir, I have played cricket in my gully. I played cricket on my terrace, on my छत के ऊपर cricket खेला हमने अपने आसपास के बच्चों के साथ. Should the situation come, because cricket is one game which everybody has played. Let's say you haven't played any game. You can say, sir, I have played Langdi Tang, Vish Amrit, Kabaddi, Kho Kho. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, column should not be left blank. That is number one. Then you should understand the nuances of that column. Why is he asking you to fill that column? Because he wants to know whether you are a loner or you mix around with others. We do not want loners over here. Factor 2 is your social adaptability, social adjustment. And factor 3 is your social effectiveness. The moment you leave the column blank, these two factors go blank. That means you're out. And suppose you have a problem that you really don't know what are the rules of the game of cricket, might as well learn it. Because cricket can be played anywhere. Football you cannot play in a gully. Okay. So if that is the kind of a situation, worst come worst, if you have not done that also, you write Kho Kho, Kabaddi, Vish Amrit, Kushti, write anything. But whatever you write, you should know what are the rules of the game. And if he asks you a question, what are the dimensions of the ground, tell him we played in a gully. हमारे मोहल्ले में we were 10-15 children, 4-5 of us, we used to play this. 4-5 children used to play something else. Girls were playing this, boys were playing this, or whatever. So that is why it must be filled. And filled over there, and say about you are 18 years old. Okay, I've played cricket for 10 years in my gully, right? 10 years. Doesn't matter. And school college team, right? Dash. That means you've not participated in school college team. Any special achievements, dash, that you not. Doesn't matter. Because the purpose is to find out whether you are a loner or you mix around with others. So that is the third question which I was not able to recall. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Now,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Manish. Yeah, Manish.
Sir, I have a question relating to SD. Sir, when we are writing about parents' opinion, teachers' opinion, should we
Yeah.
also include the thing what they wanna see improvement in us?
Listen, the columns which the SDR, in fact, yesterday we could not do it. What parents think about you? Oh, okay, sorry. First column is your introduction. I am Shivansh from Bhopal. I study in Army School, Bhopal, in class 12th. That is your introduction. Everybody understand? Second is my father, Shri so and so, my mother, Mrs. so and so, are my parents, and I stay with them. Or are they in the village and I stay in Bangalore studying in a college with my chacha. Now my chacha, my parents think that I'm a very good boy, very honest, very dutiful, diligent, and I do my things the way I am told. Period. ज़्यादा भी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You know, something of that sort. What your teachers think, they think I'm a good student, but good student, I try to work hard. अगर आपके नंबर 50% आए हुए हैं, तो don't write the thing that I'm brilliant in student. Okay, I'm average in studies. I follow all discipline of the school. I listen to my parents. I follow I listen to my teachers, management. In school, I behave like a good boy. I play games. They think I play games, and they all like me. बस इतना ही काफी है. What your friends think about you? The friends think that I'm a very pleasing personality. They want to come to my home and play games with me, spend time with me. They think I'm helpful and I'm generally a good person. काफी है. उसके बाद, what I think about myself, I think that I am a very good guy. I mean, I'm not very good guy. I like to help others, and I want to see wherever I can be helpful to others. I want to enlighten the others, and wherever it requires, I want to do community service. And then finally, you know, I have a problem because, you know, I'm heavier in the weight, or I'm too heavy, so my physical fitness is not good. But I've analyzed this. Now I'm trying to do my yoga so that I become more fitter. I'm sure I'll lose weight. इतना ही लिखना है इस किस्म से. The negative point जो अपने बारे में लिखना है, that should be superficial. Something to do with your weight, something to do with your habit of not getting up early morning, or something to do with you know, liking too many sweets. ऐसे को superficial quality लिख के, and then you write, I am trying to analyze my problem and I'm trying to work out a plan so that I can get rid of this bad habit of mine. Is that understood? That is your self-description. Now, all of you will write your self-description. When I have one-to-one interview, give me your PIQ and self-description together. So I'll do it on individual basis rather than doing collectively. Collectively, first heading is introduction of yours. Second is parents. Third is teachers or employer in case you are working. Fourth is friends or your subordinates, peers if you are working. And final is what you think about yourself and what are your one or two superficial shortcomings which you are trying to get rid of. And you must have a plan to do that. Is that clear? So these are the headings you must work under. And thereafter, you what do you call, come on one-to-one when you come on a one-to-one interview. Then I'll sort out those finer edges, because I don't want to give you a template or a DS solution wherein all of you write the same thing. That will be incorrect. So as Jal Kakkad also told you, be truthful. What you write should be sustainable. Like I gave you an example that you say, my teachers think I'm very good in studies, brilliant in studies, but marks you got overwritten in matric 50%, 10 plus 2, maybe 60%. So that is not brilliant in studies. Right? You think my teachers are very happy with my efforts that I work hard to put in my studies, and I play games in the school, and I follow all the dictats of the organization in the school. I am a disciplined person. I don't create any ruckus. That's what they feel about me. So they like me. So this is all is to be written. Any questions on this?
So I have a question.
Yeah, Niket.
So, sir, actually there is a column for the particulars of parents. Okay, sir. So
Yeah.
in that, if father is no more, then we should not write the details of the father in that particular column.
You will
But-
write the first. If you, I think yesterday you were not there. In
No, sir,
PIQ form,
yeah.
first column is your father or mother alive? Yes or no? If answer is yes, then that means if your father is deceased, then you say your father alive means yes. If you write no, then you write late so and so, blah blah blah. But your father's name should be Shri, mother's name should be Shrimati, or doctor, engineer, or whatever. It should not be Atmaram or Nita Rani. It should be Shri Atmaram, because your father, your mother, your teacher, your elder brother, sister, you have to give their names with respect. And I had said all capital block letters and in good handwriting, because you write block capitals. Your handwriting will be good. Okay. So people had asked me yesterday, what if I have guardian? Parents may be staying in a village. You may be staying in a chacha in Bangalore. So he becomes your guardian. तो उनकी कितनी इनकम है, उनका क्या प्रोफेशन है, that has to be entered correctly. Okay?
Yes, sir. So
if your father is not alive, the ऊपर question में आ जाएगा कि parents are not, father is not alive, and when you write late Shri Atmaram, or understood that father is not there.
Sir, actually, what I'm asking
and वहाँ पे एक I column, I think age at which he died.
Yes,
What was
sir,
your
yes,
age? So many years and so many months. That also has to be entered. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So the particular column was, is parents alive? So the parents include father and mother both. So we should select yes there.
Yeah, absolutely.
And in that particular, we should mention our age at the time of the death.
Yeah, absolutely. Then no, what is the purpose of this? Purpose of this is for the psychologist to understand, or even IO to understand. If your father got expired when you were 2 years old, your thinking makeup would be different. Somebody's father is alive, his thinking would be different. So that is he trying to find out what is your condition. So you be truthful what you are. वहां पे जाके मैंने 1000 बार बोला है. Yesterday also I gave this example, and I'm speaking it once again. If you belong to Delhi, you started in St. Stephen's, you started in modern school, and if you live in a, let's say, border town of Chambjodiya in Jammu and Kashmir, and you studied in a government school, you have never seen what train looks like, you have never seen what a Hawai Jahaz look like. Okay, both of you are on equal footing as far as SSB is concerned. Do not think कि I come from Chambjodiya border district, मैंने train हवाई जहाज नहीं देखा है, so I am rejected for SSB. No. Those 15 qualities, factor 1 is what? Reasoning, organization, and planning and organization. Second is your social adjustment. Third is your social effectiveness. Fourth is your dynamism, your stamina. So all these qualities are required even if you're living in a village, let's say in Northeast, some remote village which is into the mountains, or in border areas, in a government school. What is planning and organization? Getting ready in the morning, having a bath, going to the toilet, and putting on your uniform, making your basta, your school bag, then going to school is also planning and organization, which a Sarkari school chap will also do, and a modern school in Delhi will also do. So both are same. Qualities are there or not there. Social adaptability. A Delhi chap may play, let's say, golf, cricket, let's say some fancy game. But गांव वाला कबड्डी खेलेगा, लंगड़ी टांग खेलेगा, कुश्ती करेगा. That is also a game. Socially you're meeting. गुल्ली डंडा खेलते हो, लंगड़ी टांग खेलते हो. That is also social. Social effectiveness. Here a guy becomes let's say, emerges as a leader in some kind of a NCC activity or a social service activity, and he goes to a fancy club. Over there he starts acting as a leader. यहाँ पे भी चौपाल पे जो आप लोग बैठे हो गांव में, आप लोग भी लीडर बन सकते हो. आपने भी अपनी खेती करनी है, बहन की शादी करनी है, अपने फेस्टिवल्स मनाने हैं, मान लो लोहड़ी के दिन छज्जा बनाना है, डांस करने का प्रोग्राम बनाना है, तो यहाँ पे भी those effectivenesses are there. So all those qualities are there in a guy who's in a village, also who's in a metropolitan city. So do not ever think that my place of this thing is different. Now, why IO and the psychologists want to know all these details from you? That is why they ask you, okay, which village, district, and state, and give the approximate population. Just to know that the village which you written over there, if population will be 5,000, what would be your mental makeup? but those qualities are there. So based on that mental makeup, his questions will be directed to you. So question will come accordingly. He will not ask you how many people play in the morning golf. That he may ask from a guy who plays modern school and stays next to Delhi golf course. But a guy who's in a village, he'll ask you, okay, Chopal pe sham ko kitne baithte hain? So that is the purpose of these columns. So that is to help you, so that you ask the correct question which you can answer. So if you write something wrong over here, try to show off, you are inviting trouble for yourself. Is that point understood? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Because if you give incorrect information, the question will come in a more difficult form which you will not be able to answer. आप अगर एक गांव में पड़े हुए हो, आपको पता है गोल्फ कैसे खेला जाता है, या आपको पता है कि जो रेसिंग होती है, ग्रां प्री होती है, फार्मूला 1 रेसिंग के बारे में आप क्या जानते हो? But if you are staying in Noida next to the JP Grand Prix course, you write Noida, he'll ask you a question because you are expected to have seen that. But same question will not be asked from a guy who's from a village. उसको पूछेगा लंगड़ी टांग में कितने बच्चे खेलते हैं? तो give an answer, okay? हम लोग अपने मोहल्ले में we were 5 kids, 3 girls, 4 boys or whatever. We used evening में after school से जब आते थे तो we used to get out and play लंगड़ी टांग और स्टापू खेलते थे, विश्व अमृत खेलते थे, गुल्ली डंडा खेलते थे. That's also a group game. That shows your social effectiveness, social adaptability. Is that point understood?
Yes, sir.
So fill in your forms correctly. And similarly, SD also. SD is seen only by the psychologist. So SD mein you can always say that everybody praises me, everybody likes me. That has to be said, but that should be said in consonance with what you have written in the PIQ. कहीं पे भी contradiction नहीं आनी चाहिए. और जब आपने IO के सामने बैठना है, तो there also you say the same thing. What you written over there. There's nothing wrong. There are no incorrect answers. He is just looking for those 15 qualities. कि यार ये बंदा चलो लगड़ी टांग ही खेलता है means, और वहां पे ये बोला मैं अपना टीम कैप्टन बन गया, means you are an effective leader. Your factor 3 has come into play, and he's happy. And like General told you that when he was in the military secretary's branch, if some officer made a mistake, his dossier was pulled out, and he was not recommended by psychologist. He's right. So I'm telling you, the 60% of your thing is interview. That is why I am taking one interview individually and rest all on attendance. That is why I made have you all seen the program I made for 3 weeks?
Yes, sir.
Who has not got the program? Please get the program and see it. Interview is very, very important. I'll tell you how. And that's next important is your psychologist. And GTO is that you should just scrape through. Even if you're not doing exceptionally well in GTO, it doesn't matter. Because in the conference, let's say GTO or a psychologist says, sir, this boy does not have factor 2. GTO might say, sir, during those 9 things, at so-and-so point, I felt it like that. At that time, if psychologist says or IO says, no, this particular factor, we saw it here. So then they ask the GTO, are you ready to come up? But generally, if the psychologist and IO say, GTO also comes up. Similarly, if psychologist finds something wrong, GTO says, no, I found him good while planning the exercise, or when I'm acting in a group, or IO says group, he also comes up. So initially he has said not recommended, but now in the conference, when the discussion is taking place, he brings you up. And when you go inside, they ask you a couple of questions in this regard, and if you perform well over there, you are recommended, despite having been not recommended by psychologist or GTO earlier. So that is very important. And उसमें झूठ नहीं बोलना है. Underline and inverted commas. You tell him, look, this is what I am, and this is what I'll be. And whatever you are and you be, that I will be telling you when you spend about 6 months time with me. When you have spent 6 months time and talked to me, seen my videos, seen my Zoom classes, attended Zoom classes, all your doubts will be off. I'll give you templates for everything so that your contradiction doesn't come, or you are able to project yourself correctly. Like General Harsha Kakkar told you correctly. In our times, there's only one Minerva Academy in Chandigarh. And that also, like I gave you my example, to those of you who will heard me, 29th of March was my last 11th class exam. And 3rd of April was my SSB in Dehradun, Air Force SSB. Okay, so where was the coaching? And I was the school captain. I told you, one of my officers who's now in the Air Force, who's my coursemate, who joined the NDA with me, he says that when we saw you, Sainik School Nagrota guys, 9 guys coming, we said, look, देखो ये स्कूल वाले कितने बढ़िया हैं, अपने साथ टीचर भी भेजते हैं. And who was the teacher? They were calling me the teacher. They thought I was a teacher because I was a school captain, 6 feet tall, and I was looking after those 9 boys who had come with me from my school. ये करो वो करो. Yeah, good Aryan, good. So same thing as a school captain, I was in the habit of guiding them and doing this. So that was the leader. So even my fellow candidates in SSB thought that I was a leader because they said, teacher आया हुआ स्कूल में साथ में 6 फुट लंबा तो वैसे ही है. Okay, so that is what is the requirement. So you be what you are. So we were there, and I told you many times that when you're going for the SSB, think you're going for a paid holiday. You're going to go and see a wonderful place wherever you're going. And I told you, moment you land there, शाम को जो बंदा तुम्हें चाय पिलाता है, or the orderly who's looking after your clothes or looking after your room, ask him what are the places to see. Because I was going to ask you a question. Okay, have you come to Allahabad? Do you know what is famous in Allahabad? तो आप बोला नहीं सर मुझे तो पता ही नहीं पहली बार आया हूँ. So you should have found out, sir. I know there is some ghat, Ganga Ghat, some mandir, some Vat Vriksh. Sir, मैं जाऊंगा वहां पे. और sir, yesterday we already been there. हम हुआ है वहां से शाम को जाके 4-5 मिलके. So that is a positive kind of a thing, impression you are giving. Sir, yesterday 4-5 of us got together and we went to see the ghat. Okay, so or we went to see that, or we've already found out, sir, हमने plan बना लिया आज शाम को हम घूमने जा रहे हैं. So that should be your mindset. So that shows that you are a relaxed person, you are a social person, you like to see new things. Okay, and then as I said, make friends. And he says, what else? Sir, I have met 30 boys over here or girls over here. They are from different parts of the country. Sir, मैंने वो अपना Allahabad वाले लड़के से दोस्ती कर ली है. And the girl from Northeast is very friendly. She's a very nice one. And the boy from Tamil Nadu, he's become my friend. So when I go back, we are pen friends. Or we added our names into a WhatsApp group. Or we put ourselves on the same social media. So we'll be interacting with each other. So these things you must tell them. हमारे टाइम पे पेन फ्रेंड्स बोलते थे, but आपके टाइम पे सोशल मीडिया है. Tell them, sir, we are together on the WhatsApp or whatever. So those are the things you must understand and take that. Okay, now we left only with 5 minutes. I'll take your questions and we will come in the next Zoom when I'll touch upon the screening. And screening, again, everything is available on the videos and the Zooms. Today, I will only tell you the, what you call gundis. What are the catch points? You understand gundis? Provide group details and program. Which one, Divya? What are you asking? Unmute yourself and speak. Yeah, Divya. Divya, unmute yourself. Divya, you put a question in the chat. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
And speak. Yeah.
Sir, I don't know where this group is providing. Like in a Telegram group, I got this link, Zoom link. Now only I have joined.
Okay. All your problems, all your coordination points. Varun sir has got all the details. Please get in touch.
Okay, sir.
First, try to sort amongst yourself. There are 4 WhatsApp groups. Come on those groups also. You may be on Telegram group. You come on these WhatsApp groups also. You get all the information.
Okay,
And then I had told you all that OIR is very important. You must score at least 80% in that. Try for 100%. Practice every day. And I told you that when you practice on a particular set of questions, that paper, please put it on the WhatsApp group so others can also practice the same one. So what if 20 of you are there? So 20 sets are different sets are there. So you can exchange them. You need practice because OIR is very important. That is the first thing to tell the psychologist that yes, you have the intelligence. The first quality of factor 1, effective intelligence, that is on your OIR. That is your verbal and non-verbal marks. and it is possible to get 100% marks and with 100% sort of marks with full training. So you must do that every day. You must do one OIR every day, one paper, and if you have time, maybe two. Okay. So yeah, beta, you can Kirti, you can get the details from everybody else or ring up Varun sir. That is our
Okay, sir.
next best. Okay.
Well,
Okay.
I
So
have some
OIR,
advice.
yeah, Shivansh.
Yes, I do practice one OIR per day, but sir, the main point is that, sir, if we practice OIR more, and we, because sir, I also used to study for the school examinations and school courses. So, sir, how can I devote my time for the another psychological?
Okay. Hold it. Point is, you have to do time management. What I'm saying is, you must, if your moment your SSB comes, if it does not come, then you have longer time. But if SSB comes, then you have to spend more time on SSB also, written also. Okay, your 12th class results are important, but even 12th class, you make it about 70%, 75% is good enough. Okay, and
Sir,
but
I will give this time board examination. I will give. I am appearing in.
So have you, then that means you NDA written exam also you're not prepared, you have to prepare for written also. So you divide
Yes, sir,
your time.
I have appeared for one time only, but that too not like.
So you try again, divide your time, because you know everybody, the biggest mistake you all make is you start studying for SSB only once your written is cleared. That's the wrong approach. The way you do preparation for written exam for 6 months, similarly SSB also needs 6 months. It cannot happen in 10 days. Remember that. So make your timetable, try doing it. If you have Shivansh, if you are not able to do it, I'll help you do it. Okay, don't worry about that. We can, when we have one-to-one, I will discuss about this.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Arnab, yeah.
Sir, I have also the time management problem. I am
Yeah.
preparing for 6 September NDA.
Okay, all of you who have problems of this sort, try and take an appointment with Varun sir. He will tell you at what time you will have one-to-one with me. Because everybody is asking, and I'm giving you, as it is giving you 3 hours every day, I'll give you more time. You try doing it yourself, what I'm telling you. Should you have problems, ask for one-to-one and I'll do it for you. And I'll sort out all your problems.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, I have questions related to VAT.
Yes, Neharika. Neharika, VAT question you ask when the VAT will come. You just see the program for crash course. उसमें VAT वाला दिन है. उस दिन वो सवाल पूछो. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं SD की और screening की. Okay, only 1 minute is left. Hello.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, 1 minute is left. Once the session is complete, please log on and come back again. All of you, don't miss out. Okay. Yeah. Hello. What is the question?
Yes, sir. I was having one question regarding screening, sir.
Sumit, your voice is not clear. Yeah, Niharika.
Question regarding screening.
Aman, don't worry. I may be brigadier for rest of the world. And let me tell you, I have been a vice chancellor of a university for 2 years also. And before that, I was additional director general of NCC for 8 years. So don't worry about those things. I'm your friend. Don't worry. If you have stupid question, ask. Don't stop yourself. Even if you feel it is a bekar sawal, pucho. You may think it is bekar, but it might give you a wide perspective. So there's no restriction on asking questions. Okay.